All right. Good morning, mathematicians. We are thinking about our next unit of math, which is numerical expressions. So the first thing that I want us to do in our class notes, and you are clicking along to the slide that I am on. So let's go to slide 2. The first thing that I want you to do is ask yourself, what does it mean to be a translator? When you hear the word translating or translator, what do you think of? Or if you know someone whose profession or job is as a translator, what do they do in their job? Well, boys and girls, translators oftentimes translate one language to the next. Maybe they take Spanish and translate it to English, or maybe they take English and translate it to Swahili. That is the job of a translator. Well, as mathematicians, we are going to be translators in this unit. So let's go to slide 3. We are going to translate numbers into words or words into numbers. Here we see with this blue bubble, 2 more than triple 3. This is written in word form, but we can translate it to numbers and operations like this, 2 more than triple 3. Again, we've taken words and we've turned them into numbers and operations. We've translated. We can do the opposite. We could take numbers and operations and turn them into words. When we do that, again, we are being mathematical translators with our numerical expressions. Let's look at a couple examples of how this might work. This is example 1, and boys and girls, we're doing this together on slide 4, and it's especially important that you do it with me because we are going to use one of the important features of Google Slides, the scribble feature, to complete our slide with the step 1 and step 2, how it's described. This says, write a numerical expression to represent the problem below. Notice, boys and girls, it did not tell you to solve it. On this example, I am not interested in what the answer to this is. I'm only interested in translating this. When I look inside this shaded rectangle, I see a statement in words. A box of 36 character cards is shared equally among 3 friends. So this is my mathematical problem written in words. We're going to translate this into numbers and operations. We're going to do that by following step 1 and step 2. Step 1 tells us, find the keywords and numbers. So first of all, boys and girls, there are words that point us in the direction of an operation. They're not foolproof. We still have to use our brain and see if it makes sense, but it can help to point us in the right direction. So when I look at this box, that says, this rectangle that says a box of 36 character cards is shared equally among 3 friends, I can ask myself, what are the keywords that I see that may make me think of addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? Well, hopefully in this one, you see that word shared equally. Those 2 words together oftentimes make us think of division. So watch what we will do and do this along with me. You're going to come up here to this line feature and you're going to click down where it says select line. Then you're going to come to scribble, which is all the way at the bottom, and you're going to select scribble. When you select the scribble feature, then you're going to come over here and you get to scribble in this box and it will record where you scribble. So we are going to underline those 2 words, shared equally. So I'm going to click and I'm going to drag to make a scribble underneath shared equally. Now notice when I click away that my scribble stays there. We did this because we were following the first thing in step 1. We underlined the keywords in the problem and we want to draw the operation sign that we think it points to. Well, we think that this points to division. So once again, I'm going to come up and click scribble. Now this time the scribble is defaulted because we just selected that the last time. So all I have to do is click scribble. And then I have my scribble wand and I am going to draw a division symbol. So again, I'm going to make the bar of the division symbol. I'm going to click scribble again, and I'm going to scribble a circle for the top of the division symbol, and I'm going to click scribble again, and I'm going to make a scribble circle to be the bottom of the division symbol. And now we have underlined our keyword, and we have somewhat drawn that operation symbol that it's pointing to, which is division. If I don't like my symbol very much, I can come and scribble again. Like, I don't really see this bottom circle very well, so I want to scribble a little bit more to show that bottom circle. Okay, good. Or if I don't like something and I want to redo it, of course, I can click on it and then click backspace, and that will take it away. But that's just a scribble feature. It allows you just kind of to draw or write on your slide. Now, do I see any other keywords? I'm still looking right here. I don't see any other keywords. So I'm ready to go to the next part of step 1, which is circling the numbers. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to click the scribble button. And now I'm going to circle 36. That's one of my numbers. This one is written in number form, but it could also be written in word form, and we would still circle it. Then I'm going to click my scribble button again, and I'm going to circle 3. All right. Now, have I followed all the directions of step 1? Have I underlined my keywords? Yes. Have I circled my numbers? Yes. Step 1 is done. This allows me to zero in on the very most important parts of that box. Now I'm ready to come down to step 2. This is where we're going to translate and make sense of what we see. We're going to use the operation sign and the numbers to write an expression. Now, when I come down here and click, I know I'm going to have 36, and I know I'm going to have 3. The question is, what order should they be in? Should I have 36 divided by 3 or 3 divided by 36? Well, remember, boys and girls, the first part of our division problem is the part that is being shared. So, what is being shared? The 36 character cards or the 3 friends? What is being shared? A box of 36 character cards is shared equally among 3 friends. So we can see here that what is being shared is the 36. So this should be 36 divided by 3. We can type in a division symbol here, but it is a symbol that, of course, you have to insert and then go down to symbol. You're welcome to do that, or if you want to keep it simple, you can use this alternative division symbol, the backslash, which means the same as the traditional divided by sign. Take a look at your slide 4 and see if your slide 4, which was this example 1, make sure that it looks just like mine before we proceed on.